I'm Gayle Lewis. I came to the Healing Sanctuary because I was a patient of Dr. Baker's since 2002, and I've just followed him through his practices to the Healing Sanctuary because he's always been able to help me. So I came to see Dr. Baker about 7 years ago because I was dealing with chronic fatigue, not having any energy to take care of my family and go to work, brain fog, exhaustion, pain in my joints, chronic nausea, just not feeling like myself, just tired all the time, and pain in my joints, and my skin hurt, everything hurt. He asked some questions that helped me think through some things, and then he did some blood work, and when the blood work came back, he sat down and did a really thorough review of everything it said and explained to me what this meant and what the repercussions were if I didn't treat it and the options for treating it. That's when he found that I have lupus and antiphospholipid syndrome, which is a blood clotting autoimmune. And he recommended the ozone UV light therapies, and I decided to take advantage of it, and I am so glad I did. Within 4 IVs, I started feeling different. I didn't hurt as much as often. I did them every week, I believe, for 8 weeks, and after that, I felt like a new person, not completely healed. But as I did those IVs, I could see myself exponentially getting better and better. I just feel an improvement. I know that they are helping me keep this lupus and other problems under control. Last year, my blood work came back with a negative ANA, so I was able to reverse that. And I credit Dr. Baker and the therapies that he's offered me. So prior to the IV therapies and the herbs and things like that, I just struggled every day to have enough energy to keep up with my family. I had a very demanding lifestyle. Once I came to Dr. Baker and told him I am struggling, and he gave me all of these options and therapies, it's a whole different world. It's a whole different world for me. I am just so grateful that he has the vision and the drive to help others the way that he does. I would absolutely recommend the Healing Sanctuary to anyone who has similar symptoms. I have recommended it to my friends who have symptoms like mine, and they have all come away saying that Dr. Baker is helping them and explaining things to them and giving them the tests they need to understand what's going on, and not one of them have said that they don't feel an improvement because of what they've experienced here.